Hello, my dear students. So, this is the new Bakliwal Tutorials forum in front of you. The old forum that you had were missing some of the key features that you need. One was searchability of the question, one was interaction among other students, and the other one was notifications. How to know if somebody has answered your question or not. Also, there was the missingness of look and feel in the forum. Now, this new forum that is in front of you has all of those features. There is good searchability. You can interact among others. Now you can also know when some teacher or someone else has replied to your topic and your question has been answered. Now let's move on and jump right into it using this forum. So first of all, what you do is whenever you go to this address, that the address that is provided to you, when you go to this address, you have to log in using the login ID and the password that is provided to you. After login, you are going to see a page like this. Now in this page, you are going to see all of the categories instead of only a few categories that was there in the old forum. So in this comprehensive 11th and 12th, if you're a student of comprehensive 11th and 12th, you'll be able to create a new topic in this category only. Whereas in other categories, if you see, this is not enabled for you. You can communicate with other students also of the other categories. For example, if this is a question from other category, I can open it up. In this question, I can reply to this. I can help some other student from some other course in answering their questions, but I cannot create a new topic in this category. I cannot ask a new question in this category. So this is a very good thing in which you can help your juniors understanding some concepts, right? Now let's have a quick tour of the forum. In the forum, you are going to see these options at the top. So this first one is personal messages. If you have sent some personal messages to someone else, or somebody else has sent some personal messages to you, will be shown here. Next thing is search, which is a very powerful option in this new forum. So for example, if I search for straight line, so as soon as I start typing, I will be shown questions which are related to straight lines, right? So let's say straight lines, I write like this, straight lines, and then I click on enter. So after click on enter, I'll be taken to this. Now this is an option for advanced search as well. So you can search it who posted them. So basically, if you want only the modules questions, or only the questions which are posted by a particular user, that you can search here. Then you can do in which category you want to make the search. So if it is comprehensive 11th and 12th, so this will be from the category comprehensive 11th and 12th. Then you can search for add tags also. So if you want your question with straight line to be from BT module, you can add the tag. You want that it to be from mathematics, because straight line can be in physics and it can be in mathematics also, right? Motion in straight line or straight line. So both of these can be there. Then you can have mathematics added. Then if you want this question has to be from a particular topic of mathematics, you can add that also. So for example, let's say I want this question to be from straight lines, so I can just click on straight lines and pair of lines question, and that's it. And then when I click on submit, my search will be updated based on all of these categories. Now if I want that all of these must be there, instead of just a single tag, all of tags must be there, so I should click on all of the tags and then click on search. Now when I search this, I'm going to get the results which are in comprehensive 11th and 12th are from BT module mathematics, and they are from straight lines and pair of lines chapter. I hope you understand what you need to do. So this is the search, which is very powerful. And there's one thing that we have done in our module questions, that we have added exercise 1 question 39 and chapter name also. So if you search by a chapter name in that question, you are going to find out that question. If I just search by exercise also, I'm going to find out that question. For example, if I want a question which is from BT module mathematics and straight lines, so I can simply do one thing. I can just write exercise 1 and just click here. So now exercise 1 with these tags will be shown to me. So these are 43 questions which are there. Also, if you don't want to do this, all of this, you just want to search without the tags or anything. Let's go back to our home, and let's say I want to search for a ball is projected. So if I like this, a ball is projected. So all of the question which contain the term a ball is projected will be shown to me. Now either you can search to show all of the all of the question that match, or you can just directly select that topic from the short search that was shown, right guys? So this is how you search for a question. Now what about tags? What are all these tags? So basically what we have done is to categorize the question we are using tags. Now how can we categorize the questions? Now questions can be either from BT module or they can be from other source. If the question is from BT module, you must add a tag of BT module in that question. While asking the question, you must add that tag, and all of those questions will easily be sorted using that tag. Now the subject can be mathematics, chemistry and physics. For foundation student, it can be logic also, so you should add that tag also while asking a question. Then you come to sub tags, which are basically the topic name of the question. So if you want to see a list of the tags, you click here and go to tags. So if you go to tags, you will see that all of the tags are mentioned here. So all of these tags you can use while asking a question. For example, if you want to ask a question which is from mathematics circles, so while asking the question, you should add BT module, mathematics and circles. I'll show you how to add tags in a new question while showing you how to ask a new question, right guys? Okay, now in this one, you are going to find out other option as well. You can find out unread topics, latest topics, new topics, the top topics. A topic is basically a question that is being asked by someone. Tags, the badges. Now, badges is a very important thing. This badges tells you how much active you are in the forum, how much you are contributing in the forum. Also, these badges are going to reflect your performance in the B test all as well. So, for example, if somebody is in the top 50 in the B test, he is going to get a badge of top 50, right? So if you have that badge in front of you, top 50, then that means, okay, you are someone who is in top 50. That badge will be shown um, next to your name. Let's see, I'll show you how it will be shown. So for example, this is something which was asked entered by chemistry BT, and this is a question and I want to reply to this. So I reply, okay, this is a good solution. Thank you so much. Always respect others, don't bully anyone at all in the forum, right? So if you do this and I post a reply, you will see that there is nothing in front of me right now, right? Because there are no badges that are assigned to me. But if I some badges will be assigned to me, those badges will be shown next to me. For example, this one. So this is a badge which is shown here, which is a leader badge in front of the chemistry BT. So like this, all of the badges will be shown here. Are you getting this, guys? Yeah. Okay. So badges will be shown like this. If you want the badges that you have earned, you can see them in your profile. So if you go to profile and you go to summary, so it will show you which badges you have. So you have basic, first post and read guidelines badges that are assigned to you. So if you click on this badge, it will show you, okay, so this is the badge that I have. So others, there are three other people also which have this badge. So all of these badges can be seen from here, right? Now there are messages, notifications, activity and summary in front of you when you have clicked on your profile thing. Now in preferences, it is very important. In preferences, there are multiple options. You can have account in which you can uh, change your name or and your profile picture. Now make sure that you don't use any irrelevant profile pictures. Your profile picture must be very decent. Okay, then security, you can enable two-factor authentication and reset your password from here. You can write about me and other things in this profile section. Then email section is very, very important, in which you can enable when you are going to get notified by an email. If somebody is replying to you, or somebody is replying to your post, or somebody is replying to your question, then you will be notified. If you are not on the forum, so right, so you can choose whatever happened to these email notifications. You can update them according to your preference. Then notification, when do you want to get notifications? You can get notified about new topics in the categories, about some user, if some user you want to ignore some user, if you want to mute some user, that you can do from here. Tags is basically, if you want to we are going to create some tags like good questions, difficult questions, or interesting question, like this question tags, which can only be used by teachers. So those tags, you can watch those tags from here. And if somebody adds a question based on those tags or uses that tag, that you will be notified about that tags, right? So in interface, if you want to make something smaller, bigger, change the color or something, you can do that from here. Right, guys? Now I have given you a small tour on asking a question about the tags, right? So just remember, tags is very, very important. So go to tags to see a list of tags, right? So if you are a Compre student, make sure whenever you are asking a question, you use Compre 22 or Compre 23, whatever is your course, you use that tag for sure. Okay. Now, asking a new question. Now, this is very important. So, for example, the account I'm using has been given the access to comprehensive 11th and 12th. So, you go to comprehensive 11th and 12th, you see a button new topic. So, as soon as you click on new topic, this opens this pop-up in this type title or paste a link here. Now, the title must be first line of the question. Okay, it should not be an image or anything. Title must be the first line of the question. So whatever is your question, first line should come here. Now as soon as you write that first line, all of the questions which already have the matching topic name or the matching to your topic will be shown here. If your question is there in this, then you don't need to ask the question, and you can just directly click on that particular topic and move away and just not post a new question. Now the next thing is, after if it is not there, you can just click on escape cross. Okay, now this is the first thing, right? So this tells you okay what you need to do and you other things. So let's escape this also. So this is going to show you a preview of how your question is going to look. So title must be the first line of the question. Now the next thing is adding tags. So first of all, in this category, comprehensive 11th and 12th, you need to enter which course you are from, comprehensive 22 or 23. Let's say I'm from 22. So let's add 22. Now, which subject your question is from? If you don't use the proper tags, your question will not be answered. So make sure the next tag you use is of the correct subject. So for example, if your my subject is chemistry, so I'll use chemistry. Now which topic from chemistry? So all of the topics have been added here. So let's search, for example, let's say I am from, my topic is from electrochemistry, so I'll start writing electro. As soon as I write electri, E-L-E, I get the options of which one I want to use. So electrochemistry is there. Now, is my question is from BT module or not? If my question is from BT module, click on BT module. If it is not from BT module, don't click on BT modules. If it is, let's say my question is from BT module, so I click on BT module. So all of these tags are now added here. Now, source of the question, if it is BT module, BT study material is already there. If it is not BT study material, then you should change it to the book name, then which chapter it is talking about. Let's say it is from BT module, question chapter is electrochemistry. If you have already written this in the tag, then you don't need to write the chapter. You can just directly write, okay, if this is exercise 1, you can just write exercise 1 question 28. Okay, and then either you can type your question or you have the option of uploading an image also. You can choose from your device and upload that, and then just create topic. As soon as you create topic, this will be created and somebody is going to answer this question. Now there is one thing that you can do. Whenever you come to this forum, you are going to find out a lot of unanswered questions also on the forum, or maybe there are some questions in which discussions are going on, which is a very good practice if you are going to take part in those discussions, because in your telegram groups you are going to discuss only among the students of your own batches, your own year. Now in this forum you can interact with your seniors, your juniors, the students from other batches as well. You can reply, right? You can reply to this. You can reply to this. Okay, if you want, you can reply to this. If you want to leave some healthy comment, some hearts or smiley, you can write leave that. If you want to just like this one, that also you can do. So if you go to, let's say, a topic which is posted by someone else, obviously you cannot just like your own topic. So topic posted by someone else, you can go there and you can like this. You can post an emoji, right? And if you want that, if you think that this is a good discussion that is going on, you can change the notification thing to watching, and then you will be notified, right, guys? So if you want, let's say you want to help your juniors also, that also you can do. You can go to foundation basic, let's say, and if there is a question which is there and nobody has answered this as of now, and or you think you can give a little more insight of that question, so you can do that as well by replying to this. You can also reply to the reply. So basically, if you want to reply to this also that this is really good, so that you can also do in this forum, right? If you want to message also, that also you can do. So if you click here, you will see the profile of the other people, other person. So now these are the batches which are given to the admin. So all of these will be shown in front of you as well. Now, if you click on message, you can write a message to the admin and you can talk to them. Okay. So I think that's it. With time, we are going to add more and more new features in the forum, and you can also suggest us which features you need and which features you think will be very useful for the forum. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much.